Hello, my name is Trevor Wilson. I am a sales support engineer for Acratech UK. As such, I look after sales and application support for all of Acratech's products throughout the North region, which includes the UK, Ireland and Scandinavia. Acratech as a corporate brand was introduced in 1989, but as an affiliate of the much larger Tokyo Sumitsu company, whose headquarters are in Japan and was established in 1949. Since then, they have manufactured and sold metrology and semiconductor products, and to this day we continue to introduce high accuracy, reliable and robust systems to the global market, respecting the core technology we've cultivated for decades. Today I'd like to talk about measuring with our hybrid detector. This is a unique detector that can be used specifically on our Surfcom NEX unit that can measure not only form but surface finish. We do supply two different heads usually for measuring this, one specifically for the form side with a large Z range and a low resolution, and one for measuring surface finish with a much smaller range but a really good high resolution. Our hybrid detector will allow you to measure both up to a quite high Z range with a very high resolution. So I can measure profile, form and also call out the surface finish. Our hybrid range detector and accuracy is class leading. This can measure up to 26 mil very accurately and also pull out the surface finish. The conventional method for this would only be a 5 mil Z range measurement. That means that our hybrid detector is up to 5.2 times larger than conventional measuring instruments. By changing to a special contour stylus, it is also possible to further extend the Z-axis measuring range. Only the stylus instead of the entire sensor needs to be replaced. With the stylus with LH 150 mil, so the length of the arm, the measuring range can be extended up to 39 mil. With the stylus with LH 200 mil, so again the measuring arm a little bit longer, the measuring range can be extended up to 52 mil. This corresponds to the values of conventional contour measuring instruments. So again, the advantage of this would be we can use a standard or double length stylus to measure up to 26 mil contour and surface finish, but then swap for a longer stylus without changing the measuring head to measure contour. Our hybrid detector also offers high resolution even with a large measuring range. With conventional hybrid and roughness detectors, the measuring range needs to be reduced for a high resolution measurement, e.g. to 0.5 mm or 0.05 mm, even if a measuring range of up to 5 mm is supported. With the Surfcom NEX hybrid detector, there is no need to adjust the measuring range. This sensor offers high resolution in a measuring range of 13 or 26 mil without any adjustment. This also offers some advantages when calibrating the machine. Obviously, if I'm using two different measuring heads, I'm having to swap the heads and recalibrate them. So I'm calibrating the machine, measuring contour. I'm then having to take the head off and swap it, put the surface finish head on, calibrate the machine, and then measure. If I'm using a machine where I have to just swap the measuring detector, again, I'm possibly going to have to swap the detector, recalibrate, measure again. The advantage of our hybrid detector is I can calibrate, I can measure surface finish and contour. If I only want to measure contour for the week, so be it. If I don't want to measure surface finish, so be it. Or I can measure both. You won't find that you're spending a lot of time swapping, changing the heads. So in effect, another advantage of the hybrid detector is increased efficiency. Please now see the hybrid detector in action, measuring a couple of components. thanks for spending the time to listen to this short webinar today. Please see my details on the screen. If you have any questions moving forward, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you.